Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Maintenance, Cloud, and Field Service Accelerator. This is the newest accelerator that is published on the Oracle integration platform. This solution enables the customers to integrate and connect the maintenance cloud and field service operations. So, as maintenance cloud shall be used for creating the work orders, and then field service is used for executing those or carrying out those operations by the technicians. So, it provides complete end to end functionality right from loading up the initial setup configuration and to optimizing the work order operations in the field service. So all these operations are provided out of the box using this solution. So let's quickly drill down from the solution point of view. So the solution starts when the maintenance manager creates the work order, and as work order is created using the YC, it gets scheduled on the field service. So work order will have operations resources already defined and they require the schedule. So optimum schedule is defined on the field service, and as the schedule is carried out, the updates are passed on to the work order. So we'll quickly look at the demo of creating of the work order and looking at the schedule on the field service side. So let's get on with the demo. Okay, now then here we are for the demo. We have logged in onto the maintenance work order. I'm just clicking plus button, entering an asset to create the work order for that particular asset. And as I selected, I will provide the additional information like the what kind of work job this is going to do. This is going to service the vehicle. So let me select that and provide additional information like this is preventative and subtype as in planned for this work order. As we defined it, this will create the basic structure, and this is where all the information gets prepared based on the configuration done on the maintenance cloud. So this work order, based on the configuration that we have done, has the two activities planned, and those two activities has the resources assigned to it, which basically tells what kind of job it has to be done and all those information. So if we click it, we can see, like say, what kind of job is there, what time it generally takes, and stuff like this. All information will move from maintenance cloud to the field service. So let's quickly now initiate the activity. Now to initiate the activity, all we need to do is change the status from unreleased to released and click on save. As we click save, this work order will be synchronized. Take a note, this work order number is 1763. So here we are on the Oracle integration instance. We can see that the work order has been synchronized and bunch of subsequent jobs have executed, which have brought in all the information from the maintenance cloud to the field service. In fact, one of the flow is still running. So let's now go to the field service. Here we are on the field service side. So what we'll do is that we will directly start with the work order that got synchronized. So if you simply search with the same thing, 1763, we will see that the work order has been created. That's the one which has got created successfully from the maintenance cloud to the field service. Let's now look at the details. So we saw two activities got created on the field service, and these activities by default have brought in all the information from the work order point of view, from the SLA point of view. All this information has been successfully brought in from the maintenance cloud to the field service. Now in here, if we filter by the work order in the schedule screen, we will see both the activities are listed, and both of these activities do not have any schedule. So what we are going to do, we are going to schedule it for today. As we select it, there is a routing plan. It's an inbuilt functionality of field service where you can schedule this, and this will basically schedule it based on all the permutation, combination, efficiency, and provide a good information about how exactly this is saving the money for the customer. So as the report is executed, we can see that it has saved amount, and this will also schedule the jobs. So if you go back now, we will see that both the jobs have been scheduled, resources have been assigned, and they are basically are the one who are going to work on it. Let's now look at the Oracle integration screen, how this information is moving to the maintenance cloud. Here we are on the Oracle integration screen. We have seen that the information is now moving back from the field service to the maintenance cloud, which is bringing back the information like, okay, this is scheduled. So if you go back now onto the work order and simply search for our work order, that is 1763, what we will find is this work order, first of all, is scheduled. Earlier it was pending, now it is scheduled. If you go to the details, we will see that The operations have been assigned. We can see here resource name as well as the start time, end time. All the feature fields have been brought in from the field service to the maintenance cloud. So we can see that even the work order, start date, completion date have been calculated based on the activity start date and end date. So this concludes my demo.